This drink is called an Emerald Cooler. Now, emerald is coming from the green creme de menthe that's involved with this drink, and its primary ingredient is gin. So this is kind of be like a Tom Collins, although it will have a little bit of a minty taste to it, and of course it'll be green. Let's get started. Highball glass, we're going to fill with ice, and it calls for 2 parts of gin and 1 part of the green creme de menthe. So we're going to use 1.5 ounces of our gin, and we'll take this little handy device here, which is called a jigger, to help measure our pour. That's 1 ounce on one side and 1/2 ounce on another. Sorry, a little spill there. And we're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of our green creme de menthe. I'm going to free pour this, using 1 count per 1/4 ounce for a 3 count. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Now, we want to add a little lime juice. Squeeze there. And we're going to fill it up with club soda. Careful. Toss that in there. It's nice and bubbly. Looks all kinds of refreshing. Looks like a cooler, right? Take a look at that. That is an Emerald Cooler. Couldn't have had a better name for that cocktail. Enjoy.